Hey friends, I want to use this medium to explain to you how I was able to make 200k monthly on TikTok without dancing or singing. This process I'm about to show you is not something of luck, it's a proven method that is guaranteed to work again and again. The only thing you have to do is to relax and subscribe to my channel as I proceed to the main point of this video. So seeing so many search on YouTube and Google on how to make money with TikTok, I decided to record this video so that the serious ones who want to make money for themselves can learn and start making money with TikTok. With that being said, in this video, I'm going to be talking about the three main points that you don't want to miss any. In my own word, I call this method the three actionable TikTok money. It's just the three things you need to do and you will start making money with TikTok without dancing or singing. Anybody that have phone can do this if you really want to make money. And who doesn't want to make money? So the first thing is to create a TikTok account, but there are things you need to have in mind when creating your account. And this is just question that you have to answer before creating the account, okay? You need to ask yourself, what do I want to do on TikTok? How will I do it? And how will it work for me? So this question is just what I ask myself. After I answer this question, I then have a clear plan on what I am doing and how it's gonna make money for me. So there are lots of things you can do and make money on TikTok, but I'm just going to talk about the method I used that will work for you if you try it. Create your account, choose education on the category section, and write your bio. After setting up your account, the next thing is to start posting short form content. You don't need to think too much. Just go to your search bar, find what people are searching for, copy the topic and go to your Gemini AI. This AI will help you write the video script perfectly. So copy the topic, log in to your Gemini. When I logged in my Gemini, I will type hey. I will ask if it can write a video script for TikTok perfectly. I will now ask it if it have any idea on the topic I wanted to talk about. So this will get the AI ready and to remember what we are talking about. So this AI will write all my video script for me. The next thing is to open my TikTok or CapCut, record this video and post on TikTok. Note, I'm posting video on how to make money online. So I will be doing this daily, posting 2 times daily for 60 or 90 days. Now my followers will grow more than 5k at least. I will start making money with just 1k followers on TikTok. This is how I will be doing it. You know, when my followers reach 1k follows, TikTok will allow me to add link on my page. So I will add my WhatsApp link. Now, any video I post, I will have to tell them to link up with me on my WhatsApp if they want to learn more on the topic I'm teaching. So when they click on the link, they will connect with me on WhatsApp. Now you have customers that want to buy from you. These people that are on your WhatsApp want to learn how to make money. So there are many courses that teaches how to make money online. I can create my own product or I will affiliate any person product and make 50% of the money, and that's the one I like most. I will just go on and create account with Stakeout. Stakeout is an affiliate platform where any affiliate can sell products that are available there and get 50% commission. So this is the simplest way to make money online. I will copy my affiliate link here on Stakeout and sell the product to the people on my WhatsApp, and these people came from TikTok. This is the best way to make money now, and you can make any amount you wish. Stay jiggy.